Alright, let's go over how to draw Sonic the Hedgehog. It's going to be bouncing. Let's do it. So, first thing I'm going to do right here is I'm going to actually draw the kind of curvature of his eye. Curve right here. He's going to be looking up, so I'm going to kind of S-curve it right there around the corner there. Right on. It's going to be pulled down. Alright. Going to go over here. Slightly curve over here on the far side of the brow. The other side of the brow that Sonic has. Up over here. Even when he has his eyes pretty open, they're still going to have that glasses shape to the look. Going over here, and I'm going to curve down. Right on. And then right here, I'm going to pull right here for that bottom glasses shape. Alright. Going to pull up just a bit. Line up. Curve down right here for that hot dog shape for the nose. Fill it in. Gonna go over here now, curve for the bottom of the mouth, and curve over here for the bottom of his mouth, right? Because that's really important. That's a very, very distinctive shape as well. So the glasses shape, even though it's not as extreme. And then we have the mouth shape right there. Don't forget, by the way, hit the like button, and if you like Sonic stuff, and also hit the follow button, basically the subscribe, click the bell notification if you want to learn how to do this. We're doing stuff step by step, and it's easy for anybody who's a beginner. Okay, it's kind of who we're aimed at, so if you're a beginner, definitely do that. Gonna go over here. Let's put like he's jumping up, because after he hits a spring, he'll jump up. Gonna go over here now to the eyes, and I'm gonna draw kind of like it's like a zero shape in a way. It's gonna be long O. Fill that in except for the highlight. Gonna go over here. Same thing, exact same thing right next to it. Over here on the corner. Curve. Over here on the corner. Curve for the brow. And let's go into the ear, okay? Ear is gonna come pretty much right here, butting up against the brow. Line up, down. Curve for the top of the head here. Right on, doing so well. And we want to put in that far side ear, okay? It's literally just a triangle over here anywhere. Boom. So far, so good. Okay, if you're a huge Sonic fan, let me know. We're going to say hi, what's up? We're going to be like, hey, Sonic fans. Boo, we're going to fist butt. Nice. Going to go over here. Back. Up. Okay, now we're not going to continue it yet, but right now we're going to go into his stomach. Sorry, I touched the mic a little bit. We're going to go here into the stomach. Curve. Curve right there for his stomach area. We're going to go over here and draw his hand. I like drawing the hand before the arm, so curve right here for the knuckle, and curve over here. Curve over here. And curve over here. Out, down. Let's go over here to the wrist. Right here, wrist. We got the little cuff of the glove. So we have the glove right there. So pro tip, every time you draw Sonic, draw the glove first because it's so easy to attach the arm to it. You can pretty much, it's just very simple. It's just like a curve right here. It's like a tube. Okay? So keep that pro tip in your mind. Alrighty. Okay, so let's continue on. We're gonna draw the line down. This is where the biggest difference happened, I think. We're gonna draw a curve over here, and we're gonna draw a line right there because his feet are gonna be together. Okay. Over here now. Let me see. First things first, draw his socks, which are literally very simple, just like little cuffs. It's like a slight curve and another curve right here. And we're gonna go over here and pull down right here for his feet because he's gonna have that pointed toes thing because he's springing off, right? He's springing off. You know what I'm talking about, right? All right. Out over here. Down. Down over here. Up. Curve right here for that stripe on his feet. Curve. 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 Alrighty. We're gonna draw his hand back here. You're gonna see his hand on the far side. So curve right there. I'm gonna see the thumb. Line right here. Curve, curve. Right, for his hand on the far side. Cool, cool, cool. All that so far. Do not forget, check out the cute drawing ebook, by the way, if you don't know how to draw cute. I go over the kind of proportions of cute, because he's a little bit cute. And basically in this ebook, you're going to learn a lot, pretty much everything you need to know to how to draw anything in a chibi format. Big head, you know, small body. That's not the only thing we go over, obviously. There's the proportions of the body. So how do you draw something small on paper, right? It's one paper, it's one view. It has nothing to do with drawing it small on the actual paper. Alrighty, sorry the camera cut out. Gonna go over here now and I'm gonna pull down for the spike on his back. Going in. And then one more time right here. So we got him flying. It's pretty chill, good pose. Now what I'm gonna do, well, you can throw a little line over here for the back of his body as well to kind of show that area. But that's mostly it. One thing I like to do, and I've talked about this before, is to throw like a thicker line just on the outside of the character. Sometimes I do this, sometimes I don't. And the reason I do it is because it gives it a kind of like sticker-like effect that I think is very, very good. I think that sticker effect can really go a long way, and it has this kind of like, I don't know, this effect that just, I don't know what it is, it just makes things pop a little bit quicker, makes things a little bit more readable to the to actually the viewer. But I want to thank you very much. Don't forget, we have coloring books on Amazon. I'm going to put one up as much as I can. I hope you have an amazing day. What I want you to do is I want you to be able to reach out to me, say what's up, say how's it going, etc. And I'll be able to reach out to you guys through the comments. So if you want me to draw a certain character, I'll make it happen. Just write it in the comments section, or you can, I guess you can email me and stuff like that. I will talk to you next time, and I'll see you very, very soon, all right? See you later.